Ever walk into a room and feel off? Like something's not quite right, but you can't put your finger on it? It might not be the furniture or the lighting. It might be the clutter. Hi there. If you're 50 or better and want your home to feel calm, cozy, and beautiful again, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We've got tons of helpful tips to make aging easier, your space lighter, and your life simpler. Section 1. The invisible clutter. Let's start with the kind of clutter we often don't even see anymore, what I call invisible clutter. Number 1. Old magazines and newspapers. Stacks of outdated magazines or old newspapers can pile up before we know it. You might think, I'll read that article someday, but let's be honest, someday rarely comes. Keep only the most recent ones and recycle the rest. Your coffee table will thank you. Number 2. Expired food in the pantry. That soup can from 2016? It's gotta go. A cluttered pantry isn't just messy, it can be unsafe. Clearing out expired food helps you see what you actually have and makes meal planning easier too. Number 3. Outdated medications. This one's a safety concern. Go through your medicine cabinet at least twice a year and properly dispose of expired meds. Many pharmacies even have drop-off bins. Number 4. Junk drawers that overflow. Every home has one. That drawer full of rubber bands, expired coupons, loose batteries, and mystery keys. Choose one drawer to tame today. It's amazing how good it feels to conquer even a small space. Section 2. Decor that dates the room. Some things make your home feel warm and welcoming. Others just date it. Let's talk about what may be quietly aging your home. Number 5. Plastic flowers and faded faux plants. While they were once trendy, dusty plastic flowers can make a space feel tired. Replace them with a small real plant or even a minimalist decorative bowl for a modern touch. Number 6. Too many knickknacks. That ceramic cat collection? Sweet, but if it covers every surface, it overwhelms the eye. Pick a few favorites to showcase and pack away the rest. Number 7. Wall-to-wall picture frames. Family photos are precious, but when every inch of wall space is covered, they lose impact. Create one clean gallery wall and rotate photos seasonally. Number 8. Old curtains and blinds. Heavy drapes and dusty vertical blinds can darken a room and date your decor. Consider lighter, neutral curtains or modern roller shades for a fresher look. Section 3. The overlooked clutter zones. Now let's talk about the spots we often ignore until they're overflowing. Number 9. The top of the refrigerator. It's tempting to stash cereal boxes, cookie tins, or cookbooks up there. But it makes your kitchen feel cluttered and cramped. Clear it off and see the difference. Number 10. Entryway chaos. The first thing you see when you walk in sets the tone. Shoes, mail bags, they all add up. A small bench with storage and a tray for keys can make a world of difference. Number 11. Out-of-control cords and chargers. Messy cables and power strips look chaotic and collect dust. Use cord organizers or hide them in a decorative box to instantly tidy up a room. Number 12. Outdated technology. Old DVD players, VCRs, or bulky computer monitors often sit unused. If it hasn't been touched in a year, it's time to let go or donate. Section 4. The sentimental stuff. This next section is a little emotional. Things we hang on to for the memories, not the function. And that's okay. But sometimes, too much sentiment becomes a burden. Number 13. Gifts you feel guilty about. That crystal bowl Aunt Martha gave you? If it's collecting dust and not your style, it's okay to let it go. You can appreciate the thought without keeping the item. Number 14. Inherited furniture that doesn't fit. Just because it belonged to grandma doesn't mean it fits your life now. Keep the memories, maybe even the knobs or a photo, but let go of what weighs your space down. Number 15. Too many holiday decorations. If you need more than 2 bins to store your holiday decor, it's time for a little trim. Keep only what you truly love and use. Section 5. Daily living disguised as clutter. Some clutter builds up just from how we live day to day, but a few tweaks can make a big difference. Number 16. Mail and papers piling up. Set a simple routine. Go through your mail once a day, shred what you don't need, and use a tray or wall pocket to corral the rest. Number 17. Multiples of everything. 3 can openers, 5 tape dispensers. Sound familiar? Pare down to 1 or 2 of each essential item and donate the rest. Number 18. Clothes that no longer fit. Our bodies change and that's okay. But hanging on to clothes that don't fit clutters your closet and your confidence. Keep what makes you feel good today. Number 19. Bulky furniture in small spaces. A large recliner might be comfy, but if it swallows your living room, it might be time to scale down. Smaller, modern pieces can open up the space and still be cozy. Here's the thing, your home should be a sanctuary, not a source of stress. Decluttering isn't about tossing everything out, it's about creating space for peace, comfort, and joy in this stage of life. If any of these 19 items sound familiar, start small. Tackle one area today, you'll be amazed at how much lighter you'll feel. And don't forget, subscribe if you found this helpful. Click the thumbs up button if you're inspired to declutter, and drop a comment below. What's one item you're ready to let go of today? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your heart light and your home lighter.